In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the pound symbol in Gmail. Knowing how to effortlessly add the pound symbol can save you time and make your emails more professional, especially when dealing with currencies. Let's explore a simple yet effective method that's accessible to everyone. Firstly, the easiest way to get started is by opening a web browser of your choice. Head over to Google and perform a search for the pound symbol. You can type pound symbol into the search bar and instantly a variety of results will pop up, displaying the symbol directly on your screen. This method is quick and you'll mostly find what you're looking for within the first few results. Once the pound symbol appears on the screen, move your cursor over it and select the symbol with your mouse. Right click and select copy, or simply press Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows computer or Command+C if you're using a Mac. Copying ensures that the symbol is stored on your clipboard, ready to be inserted wherever you choose. Now let's navigate over to Gmail. Open your Gmail account in a new tab or window so it's easy to switch back and forth. Once you're in Gmail, look at the upper left corner of the interface where you'll see a button labelled Compose. Go ahead and click Compose to open a new email window where you'll draft your message. As your email interface appears, position the cursor in the body of the email where you want to insert the pound symbol. Here comes the final step. Simply paste the symbol. You can do this by right-clicking on the designated area in the email and selecting Paste from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. If everything's been done correctly, the pound symbol should appear in the spot where your cursor was placed. Congratulations, you've successfully inserted the pound symbol into your Gmail draft. Use these steps anytime you need to include that symbol in your communications. It's advisable to add the symbol alongside numbers to denote currency, such as £20, to make it clearer and easily understood by your readers. This method can be repeated as often as needed, and you only spend a minute or so achieving it, enhancing both the efficiency and professionalism of your emails. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it enhances your email experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more practical tips like this one. Have a great day and see you in the next video.